Hey guys, last week I showed you how to create a continuous weave with 4 strands. If interested, please see the description for a link to that tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a continuous weave with 10 strands. Let's get started. To avoid confusion, I'm going to label the strands 1 through 10, with 1 being on the left side of your work and 10 being on the right side of your work. Start by crossing strand 6 over top of strand 5. Using strand 5, bring it over strand 7, under 8, over 9, and under 10. Bring strand 5 up and over your dowel to keep it out of the way for now. Using strand 6, bring it under 4, over 3, under 2, and over 1. Using strand 4, bring it under 7, over 8, under 9, and over 10. Using strand 7, bring it under 3, over 2, and under 1. Using strand 3, bring it under 8, over 9, and under 10. Using strand 8, bring it under 2 and over 1. Using strand 2, bring it under 9 and over 10. Using strand 9, bring it under strand 1. Bring all strands back in front of your dowel. Using strand 5, which is now the strand on the right side of your work, bring it over and under the other strands until you've reached the middle of your work. Using strand 6, bring it under and then over the other strands until you've reached the middle of your work. Repeat that process until you've reached your desired length. I recorded the initial tutorial for this large continuous weave with twisted strings so that you could see the different colors. After taking a look at it, I realized the tutorial was much clearer using larger 3-ply rope. I added in the first tutorial here so that you can see how it looks with a few different colors. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.